All right. So first thing first, guys, you can access the first chapter from our course totally for free. Now you can go to the link in the description of this video and you can access to our course or to the first chapter for free. So this is my latest session. Uh, I wasn't trading binary options a lot lately. I was spending time with cryptocurrencies and other projects, but yeah, I decided to look for a signal and I finally found one. So this was the latest session, and I guess we are having another beautiful signal where we can make at least $2,000 in the next 15 minutes or so. So I guess the first trade must be a sell. So the market will try to go down. So perhaps we will see a red candle. So let's click lower. And yeah, I hope that my prediction is right. As I was saying, guys, there's some changes to our course. We changed the domain name. So now we are using the link or our new website, learnthestrategy.com. And if you want to access the first chapter for free, you can go to learnthestrategy.com/free. Or you can go click the link in the description below and start learning immediately. No need for your email uh, address or any personal information. Everything is free. Just go there, start learning immediately. So I guess my prediction was right. And yes, the first win. What happened here? I don't know. That's okay. So yeah, let's go up now. The next trade. Let's go. Yeah, I guess that we are going to see a green candle, at least a green candle. Or yeah, that must be a green candle. So guys, those who are interested in starting with binary options, there are several critical lessons that can save you time, money, and frustration. For example, you must, at the beginning, you must master the basics before trading with real money, right? Understand how binary options work, because it's not just about predicting price movement. Beautiful. $258. Great. So this one here. Yeah, this one here. $258. Amazing. So let's go up again because I see another green candle coming. I believe that we will see another green candle. So as I was saying, guys, master the basics before starting with binary options and before trading with real money. It's not just about predicting price movement, but also timing it correctly. Also learn about strike prices, expiration times, and payout structures just to know what affects your trade's outcomes. Also, use it's better if you use a demo account, right? Use a demo account before risking real money to get familiar with the platform and execution speed. So this was this was a clear trade. See, a clear trade. By the way, I'm trading with $300, um, and I'm making 86%. So if I'm winning, I'm making $258. That's what I made, and yeah, I guess that this one is beautiful. This signal is beautiful. Also, like you must have a good strategy. So remember, strategy over gambling. Don't gamble. This is not a gamble game. All right, you're not gambling. If you are gambling, sorry, you will lose. So many beginners treat binary treat binary options like gambling, but successful traders follow a structured strategy. For example, me, yeah, beautiful. For example, me, I use my own strategy that I developed over years, refined by trading on demo account, trying different indicators, trying different plans. Yeah, trying different plans and stuff. So let's go up again. This time, the market is trying to reach the upper band from the Bollinger Band. So I use four indicators. I'll use Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR, RSI, and MACD. That's it. I don't like to use more than 5 indicators. In this case, I'm using just 4 indicators. Sometimes, not all the time, sometimes I use moving averages, but in this case, I'm not using it because I'm familiar with the market. I know the Euro USD market. If I'm using OTC, perhaps you will find me, or if I'm trading OTC, perhaps you find me using some moving averages, but here I'm not doing it. Great. I guess this is the 6th or the 5th trade. Yep, this one here. Yeah, this one was risky, right? So if you are interested, let's go down. So if you are interested, guys, in learning my own trading strategy, you can do it through our course, or you can develop your own trading strategy. You can watch free YouTube videos, learn about indicators, read different books, read different articles, and with time you will be familiar with different indicators and you will be able to develop your own trading strategy. So yeah. Also, guys, I mean, risk management is everything, right? Never risk more than 2 to 5% of your total balance on a single trade, right? Just keep 80 or 95% of your money safe. Don't risk it. Risk just 5% maximum. Great. I guess we will still have another sell position. I don't know. The market will start going up, but I can go down now and quit. So let's go down and yeah, I guess that this will be the last trade. Yeah, this will be the last trade. So as I was saying, guys, also, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money. It's risky. Don't risk money that you can't afford to lose. Only risk money that you can't afford to lose. And also develop your own trading strategy or copy a good trading strategy and try to refine it, try to be familiar with it. And yeah, with time, you will be profitable. Yeah, this is the 7th or the 8th trade. I guess the 8th trade, I won all of them. Beautiful. Yeah, I guess that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, see you later, guys.